Little storyteller.
Barnaby the bear, with his button eyes and a little patch on his paw, whispered to Penelope the fluffy bunny. Penelope's long ears twitched with excitement. "Tonight is the night," Barnaby mumbled, looking at the big door of the playroom. Freddie the fox, whose tail was extra bushy and orange, carefully pushed a round, blue laundry basket. "Our escape pod is ready," he squeaked. Rosie the ragdoll, with her yarn hair and sweet stitched smile, held onto Barnaby's arm. She was a little nervous, but also thrilled. One by one the friends hopped into the laundry basket. Barnaby was the captain. Penelope helped Rosie climb in. Freddie made sure everyone was snug. Their plan was to slide down the long wooden stairs to the hallway below. With a gentle push from Freddie, who stayed at the top, the laundry basket began to move. It went swish, swish, swish down each step. Barnaby held on tight and Penelope giggled. Rosie closed her yarn eyes but smiled. The laundry basket landed softly on the rug at the bottom of the stairs. "We did it!" Barnaby cheered. Penelope clapped her paws. Rosie opened her eyes and was happy to be at the bottom. Now they were in the hallway. They decided to explore the hallway. The floor felt cool on Barnaby's fuzzy feet. Penelope hopped along, her nose twitching as she smelled something yummy. Rosie held Barnaby's hand, her stitched smile wide. Suddenly they heard little footsteps coming closer. It was Timmy. The toys quickly huddled behind a big soft armchair. They didn't want Timmy to see them out of the playroom. Timmy walked by, humming a happy tune. He didn't see them. Once he was gone, Barnaby had an idea. "Let's go back to the playroom," he said. "It's more fun when we all play together." Freddie helped them push the laundry basket back to the stairs. This time, they carefully carried it up, one step at a time. It was harder work going up, but they helped each other. Barnaby pulled, Penelope pushed, and Rosie encouraged them with her sweet smile. Back in the playroom, all the toys felt happy. They learned that even though adventures are fun, playing together is the best adventure of all. It's always nicer to share fun with your friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.